Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get cards in MTG Arena. First, you can earn free booster packs simply by completing your daily quests and achieving your weekly win goals. These are excellent ways to build your collection without spending anything. You can also use the in-game currency, gold, to buy booster packs directly from the store. For those looking to accelerate their collection, real money can be used to purchase gems, which then buy packs or entry into rewarding events. Wild cards are a crucial resource for getting the exact cards you need. These special cards allow you to craft any card of a corresponding rarity, from common to mythic rare. You primarily acquire wild cards by opening booster packs. Every pack contributes to your wildcard progression. You can easily track your current wildcard count and progress on the collection screen. This system ensures you can always complete your desired deck by crafting those hard-to-find cards. Participating in events is another fantastic way to expand your card collection. In draft events, you pick cards from booster packs to build a deck and keep all the cards you select. Sealed events give you 6 booster packs to construct a deck, and you keep those cards too. Constructed events reward you for winning with your own pre-built decks. Additionally, many daily and weekly events frequently offer individual card rewards, helping you fill out your collection with specific cards. Don't forget about free codes and special bundles. Many promotional codes are released, often coinciding with new set releases, which can grant you free booster packs, cosmetic items, and sometimes even individual cards. Keep an eye out for these codes online or through official announcements. The in-game store also frequently features special bundles that offer excellent value on booster packs, gems, and other valuable resources. Always check the store for these limited-time offers to maximize your card acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.